Hey guys, I just wanted to teach you how to use the iframe generator for Canvas. So you go to the iframe-generator.com, we have the link, and if you make a page and you want to embed a game, Starfall has really fun games and really nice games to embed. So if I want to do Bossy R, I can copy and paste this link right here into my iframe generator. So right here, iframe URL, paste it, you can generate, you can preview it, but you can just click this to copy it. And then you go back over to your page and right up here, the HTML editor, and click on that. And then you'll copy and paste your embed code. And then you can press save, or if you want to click back to Rigid Content Editor, you can see it right there. And so sometimes I want to make it center. If you want it to be bigger, you can go back to the HTML editor. Right here where it says width is 600px. You can delete that and do a number if you want. You can do percentages. So it's 800 by 500, a little bit bigger. I'm just going to save that one. So then you can embed games or anything you like into your...
Make a word to match the picture.
Good luck!
Car.